Welcome back to our channel, where we unveil the hidden wonders of the natural world. In today's video, we take you on a journey to explore the captivating world of the shoebill. Get ready to be amazed as we uncover the hidden facts and remarkable traits of this enigmatic bird. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future wildlife adventures. Now let's dive into the intriguing world of the shoebill. The shoebill, with its distinct appearance and intriguing behaviors, is a truly remarkable bird. Today, we reveal the hidden facts about this elusive creature that will leave you in awe. Let's get started. Fact number 1. Unique appearance. The shoebill is instantly recognizable with its massive shoe-shaped bill, which can grow up to 9 inches, 23 centimeters long. Its bill is not only a defining feature, but also a powerful tool for catching prey, providing excellent grip and precision. Fact number 2. Stealthy predators. Despite their large size, shoebills are masters of stealth. They have a slow and deliberate hunting technique, standing perfectly still for extended periods, waiting for unsuspecting prey to come within striking distance. When the moment is right, they deliver a lightning-fast strike to catch their prey. Fact number 3. Ancient lineage. Shoebills are considered living fossils, with their lineage dating back millions of years. They are the only species in the family Balinicipididae, and are thought to have diverged from other bird species over 30 million years ago, making them a unique and ancient bird. Fact number 4. Impressive size. Shoebills are one of the largest bird species found in Africa. They can grow up to 4.4 to 5.6 feet, 1.3 to 1.7 meters, tall, with a wingspan reaching over 7.7 feet, 2.35 meters. Their size, combined with their fierce appearance, makes them an awe-inspiring sight in their natural habitat. Fact number 5. Mysterious behaviors. Despite being known for their striking appearance, shoebills are relatively mysterious birds. They are solitary creatures, and not much is known about their breeding habits or migration patterns. Researchers are continually studying these birds to unravel the secrets of their elusive behaviors. The shoebill, with its unique appearance, stealthy hunting techniques, ancient lineage, and impressive size, continues to captivate both researchers and nature enthusiasts alike. If you found this video fascinating and informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who share a love for wildlife. Also, let us know in the comments below which bird species you find the most intriguing or would like us to feature next. Thank you for joining us on this captivating journey, and we'll see you next time with more hidden facts and astonishing discoveries in the natural world. Remember to stay curious and keep exploring the wonders that surround us.